Oh, it looks really bad on here. It looks like the truck is disappearing. It's raining! It's raining! We just got here and it started raining! So it is Monday morning and I am taking out my makeup. I feel so awkward without any makeup on. I don't know why I am being drawn to the makeup section. I'm at Big Lots and I saw some clearance pajama sets I wanted to come back and get. And I saw this the other day too. Look, it's a facial brush. I think I'm gonna get it. And they have these nail art polishes at Dollar Tree, but Big Lots has a 3-pack for $2.50. But I don't know which one to get. I don't want to get all of them. I do have the gold one that I did buy at Dollar Tree. Can you see how it's looks really thick? Same thing with the other gold one I have. I can't use it. And I also had a glittery red one. And it is Wednesday morning. I am cleaning the garage. I don't think I mentioned it in yesterday's video, but I think I'm sweating more because I know I don't have makeup and I'm keeping myself more busy, because if we had makeup then we would be like, oh my gosh, I don't want to sweat. I'm going to put some Keeping It Real. This is SPF 15 Natural Lip Balm Cherries flavor. Oh, it looks really bad on here. It looks like the truck is disappearing. We actually had hail here in Texas. Oh, I'm supposed to look over here. Sorry. Yeah, that's it. And the weekend it was rainy. Then it was a little cool. Then it was hot yesterday, and it was hot this morning, nice and muggy. And then we headed over to do some shopping, and there was like a line of dark clouds like 10 miles away or something, and I didn't even think about it. When I walked into the store, an older lady was walking out, and she goes, oh, it's she said in Spanish, she said it's looks really, what did she say, jumpy or something. It looks really something outside. And I was like, oh yeah. And she goes, yeah, because of the rain. And I didn't think of anything of it. Excuse me. But then when we were in the store, one of the worker ladies got, she was on the phone, like 2 separate occasions or 3. And then she kind of made an announcement to the customers. And she said that she just got a call from their Edinburgh store that it's hailing over there. And I think that was around 1:20, 1:30 or something like that. No, maybe sooner. It was more like 1 o'clock. And everybody was like, oh my god. And you automatically saw everybody get on their phone and call their significant other or whatever.
And who's that one?
What's that for me? And then Mama. Let's open the
Velma. And who else is over here? Who's over here? Yeah. Scooby. Stu. Shaggy. Right now. How do you do the temperature? Oh, it's only 78. But yesterday it was hailing. And today, you want to see the sun? And no clouds. And we're putting, what are these things called? Sunshades on our van. Well, good thing I don't have to wear makeup at the gym. Just finished my workout. I hope y'all had a great day. And yay for